You wanna race? Oh, wacky inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Oh boy, what you're about to witness is not going to be pretty.
So we got none other than Mr. Rolling Wrench himself.
I'm not ready yet.
You gotta be kidding me, I fucking leaked this thing in here again.
More sex here!
Try and sit on the very fucking back. I feel how she's running. She's running good now. Faster than Ed's adventure bike. You wanna race? Alright. I got a lot of race time on this motor, by the way. I got a lot of...
Ooh, yeah, it looks really steep. Oh, f it. Oh.
Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Oh boy, what you're about to witness is not going to be pretty. I suggest you shut off your camera if you don't want to see disturbing images. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Oh, she's waving, bro. Oh, dang. Hey, should I ask her if they're doing a modeling shoot? What?
They ran off.
Dude, they just vanished.
I'm gonna ask her to join the ride and go on the white one.
Yeah.
dog. Hi, puppers. Hello. Hi, puppers. He's a good dog.
This time with the Jake.
What's up, bro? Ready to do this? Oh, boy.
You gotta like this. This is Skyler actually really big that too. That's not your fault. Oh wow. And then the blinkers. See this? That's great. That's great. So no one else can take it. I can take it.
You put it on air. It's a PCX engine?
This has got the Enigma tuner, so joystick is a blade.
That is so sick.
Oh, there's a little silver, so I had to find something. So I found my silver. That's great. You gotta have that balance.
So we got none other than Mr. Rolling Wrench himself.
What up, dude?
It's been a long time coming. So there's a rumor you may move to Seattle at some point.
That was a for sure thing like 6 months ago.
Really?
Yep. But we came back, it didn't feel right. You know, you got to use your, you know, your intuition. So we expanded the shop back in Denver, and we having a house built, so we're stuck there now.
Oh, so you're there
Yeah.
for good.
For a little while.
Well, we need to come out.
I like to come out. I'm more of a, to be honest with you, dude, I like building more than I like riding.
Yeah, I'm like in the middle. I really like to ride, but I really like to build as well.
Yeah.
So
I'm always normally in my own little world, you know, doing my own stuff.
Is it fun to ride out there? I haven't ridden out there. I've been through there.
Oh,
but
hell yeah. Yeah.
We'll
The
have to
weather's
come out
about
there.
like this, take away the humidity.
Yeah.
Like this heat,
It's
everything.
a lot drier because it's in the center.
You're from Vegas, right?
Yep.
So it's very similar. Because that's a high, that's not a high desert, but that's a desert climate.
Yeah. So you guys are high desert mountains in a sense, right? Yeah. That's cool. We need to come out there, or at least I do.
You do, dude.
So,
you
I
should.
think it'll be fun.
I could show you some sweet rides.
Is there
Boulder and shit.
There's a lot of like mountain riding, right?
Oh yeah. So like where my shop is, or where I live, is like 10 minutes downtown Denver, 10 minutes to Boulder, the Flat Irons. Yep, and then you could go up to Twisties.
Nice.
Come back down, and you're right in town again.
That's sick.
Yeah, way sweet.
I'll definitely leave a link to your channel and everything so you guys can check him out. He's got a lot bigger following than we do, but you do mainly like Ruckuses and C3s and what else?
I would say Ruckus is like the main thing. You know,
You're just starting to get into the C3 stuff, right?
Yeah, I think I've reached the end of the Ruckus road.
Yeah.
Where I need to start
stepping in.
Like I
other
used
stuff.
to be in 2T stuff.
Yeah.
I haven't ventured in that in maybe 10 years.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll I'd like to do a 2T Ruckus.
You can go over the T-Max.
When it gets popping.
We can go over the T-Max afterwards.
What's your tech tip of the day there, pal?
Yeah, Seattle's sick. There's like.
I'm not ready yet. Stop.
Can I have a tech tip of the day about brakes?
That's your mirror adjustment.
Yeah, because it's gray under, and then this has like a big tall.
Make sure your mirrors are
We
angled right
had
so
one
you can see
about
your
brakes,
deep,
didn't we?
I don't know.
Deep breaths in the rearview mirror.
I'm just saying, you want to give me one about brakes?
Well, for Friday, tech tip,
I couldn't make it. But
brakes. If you don't have brake fluid in your brakes, they're not going to work right. Make sure you bleed all the air out of your brakes. That's all. That's all.
That's your tech tip of the.
Yep. Don't run air in your
It's your
brakes.
tech tip of the day by
Yeah,
Hello Friday.
Because they're not air brakes.
We're getting everyone together. We're gonna go right out with the Ruckus crew. I don't know where we're going, but should be pretty fun. Then we're gonna meet up with Shannon over at Gordito's and have a little grub and do some crazy stuff. I have no idea.
Well, we're at what's this place? We're at a Ruckus shop. I forget the name of it.
Paper shredding dock extraction.
We're here. We're hanging out. We're just meeting up with people. The rolling, Matt's rolling wrench is here, and everybody else. And then we're gonna go on a ride, and we're gonna go cruise around.
Great City Ruckus.
And it's gonna do a bunch of wheelies for you guys.
We'll see what happens. Great City Ruckus.
And then later tonight we're gonna go to Gorditos. We're gonna hang out there for a little bit, eat some food, and go on a really long hood rat ride.
Overfilled it, like always. I'm a dumbass. You gotta be kidding me. I fucking leaked this thing in here again. You already know. Gassed up, baby. Yeah. I definitely overfilled the fuck out of that. It's not leaking out, so fuck it.
Beautiful little spot, very romantic.
Wash that bitch. Get it, Brandon.
Oh yeah. I'm washing it for Trevor because she's dirty.
Yeah, she is. Come on, dude. Wash sexier. Wash sexier.
Just always seen him in all the cafes.
Ooh, yeah, you. Ooh.
More
sexier!
With the 17-inch front wheel.
Whoa, hold up.
That was too far.
Try and sit on the very fucking back.